morning, students. Let's start our lesson. Indian history at a glance. Yesterday we had seen that one. One boy was there, Sunny. Sunny has gone. One man was Sunny and his friends. They had gone somewhere and they met to the one man. He was archaeologist. That man was archaeologist, and then Sunny has gone near to him and he asked her, what is your name? What are you doing here? That man has replied, I am the archaeologist and just I am seeing some ruins of the history. Yes or no? Then he asked, the Sunny has, with a great enthusiasm, he said that, sir, I am very happy now. I want to know about my history, ancient, then medieval and modern. Then that man has explained the history has divided into three periods: ancient, medieval and the modern. So in the three periods, many rulers, many kings, many peoples has came and they had worked for their history and they changed their history. Yes or no? Then that before, in ancient times, the man was not settling in the one place. The man was wandering from one place to another place. Yes or no? Then man has started, the man has developed, then he has settled near to the riverside. Then he has made the society, and from there they had developed the kings and the queens and yes or no, and they had fight each other. That is called ancient history. Then medieval, and then the modern history. So in ancient history, what happens? So there are some of the kings. So they change the history. So for example, Bimbisara, the Mauryan, the Magad Empire, he was the emperor of the Magad Empire. Yes or no? Bimbisara. Then his son Ashoka, he changed the history, all over history changed. Then came Chandragupta II. He was the founder of the Gupta ruler. Pulakasi, he is also founder of the Badami dynasty. Then Amghosh Varsha first, Chandragupta Maurya, Gautami Putra, Satkarni, Harshvardhana, Gopala, Raja first. So these are some of the rulers' names. Okay, I have written in the shortcuts. Place is not there, so I have written shortcuts. Okay. Now, then second one is that we are talking about the ancient medieval history. Prithviraj Chauhan. Everyone's known Prithviraj Chauhan has fought very bravely against the Mughals. Prithviraj Chauhan. Then Muhammad bin Tughlaq. You don't know Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Yesterday I was given that lecture also. Then Babur came. Akbar. Shivaji Bhosle. Shivaji Bhosle means Shivaji Maharaj. Razia Sultan. Krishna Dev Raya. Maharana Pratap also we have seen about. Then Aurangzeb. Then Kaladi Channamma. So these are the rulers in the in the medieval history. Then now we are going to talk about the modern history. So in modern history, what we are going to talk about? Tipu Sultan, Maharaja Ranjit, Lakshmibai, Bipin Chandra Pal, Lala Lajpat Rai, Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Swami Vivekananda, Mahatma Gandhi. So why written these names? You have to copy these names in your notebook. So why? Because for your understanding. So suppose you are reading some of the history and some of the names came of the Bimbisara. So you have to know that one. So Bimbisara has came in the ancient period. So you have to be. So it is very easy to understand that Bimbisara has came in the ancient period. So you will get the knowledge about for the ancient periods. Yes or no? And if you are reading something new books, you read about the Babur, Akbar. So you have come in the medieval period. And if you are talking about Rajaram Mohan Roy, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar or Lakshmibai, then you suppose you have to be start in the modern period. So in which periods these people has came, I have written this one. You have to do copy afterwards. So you have to check at what times. So it is easy for you. So you will get that knowledge. The Bimbisara, Ashoka, Chandragupta II, Pulakshi. So these rulers has came in the ancient times. Medieval history, Prithviraj Chauhan was fight with very bravely. Muhammad bin Tughlaq, Babur, Akbar, Shivaji Bhosle, Shivaji Maharaj, Razia Sultan. These persons has came in the medieval periods, and in the modern history, the Tipu Sultan, Maharaja Ranjit Singh, Lakshmibai, Bipi Chandrapal, Lala Lajpat Rai. So Tipu Sultan, Maharaja Ranjit Singh, Lakshmibai, they fought bravely against the British. Bipin Chandrapal, Lala Lajpat Rai, Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Swami Vivekananda, Mahatma Gandhi. These persons also they fought with the British, and also they have changed the society. They also fight with the society for their child marriage, casteisms, yes or no. All these they have taken at the issues, and they fight against the peoples. So that's why we have to be study that one. Okay. Now let's go to the page number 120. Sunny, let us now to the modern period. Now let us go to the modern period. The modern period is marked by the supremacy of the British. In the modern periods, the who came in the supremacy? The British. In the medieval period, who was their supremacy? There were the Hindus also there and Muslims were also there. They were the rulers. Yes or no? They were having the both powers. Muslims were also having the both power. Like they were the kings, and also Hindus were also their kings. So there in medieval history, there were the Hindu rulers were also there, and the Muslim rulers were there. But in the modern history, what's happened? There were the only British. There were the no Hindu rulers, no Muslim rulers. There were the only British were there. We are under to the British supremacy. So that time British were our boss. Yes or no? The British rules were in India. The British overpowered all the other rulers and emerged as a dominant power in India. They landed up with the purpose of trade and drained out Indian economy. So this the British has came in India for the trade. First they came in India for a trade. They said we are the businessmen, so we have to do the business with the other peoples. But they have seen some of the economically condition of our Indian peoples, and also they have seen our natures. Our nature is like that. How hum sab bhai bhai. We are saying that one. Or we are saying that. For example, we are saying that one. Atiti devo bhavo. Yes or no? In Marathi, Hindi, or in Sanskrit, Atiti devo bhavo. जो भी हमारे घर में आता है मेहमान, उसे हम भगवान का दर्जा देते हैं. So same things we had given to the British, and British has taken the advantage. Yes, sir, the British peoples were the very cunning peoples. So they have seen the Indian peoples are very, very silent peoples. They are giving the good response to us. So they had started to dominate to us. And then they had started their own army, their own military. And then they fought against us, and we lost. And then the British has become the our kings, and they had rules to our India up to the 300 years. Finally, on August 15, 1947, India secured independence from the British rules. This period gave birth to many great freedom fighters and social reformers. Here are a new names. So, August 15, 1947, our India had become the independent from the British. But this is not easy to get the freedom from the British. So that time our very freedom fighters were there, many social reformers were there. They had given their lives for their countries, and then we got this the freedom from the British. So it was not very easy. Don't think it was very easy. We have gone near to the British and we said, please give us freedom. No. They had given us lathi charge, even some, our Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, some of the freedom fighters. They had given their lives for their countries. They hanged themselves. Yes or no? The British has given them Fashi Lavli Kanna. And we got the freedoms. It was not easy. Like the Mahatma Gandhi, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, these are the freedom fighters. Yes or no? These are all freedom fighters. Tipu Sultan, Maharaja Ranjit Singh, Lakshmibai. These are all the freedom fighters and some of the social reformers. because they had changed their society at all. They had changed their societies at all. So Tipu Sultan, ruler of the kingdom of Mysore, he was the king of the Mysore, but the British said you have to come in our British royalty, but he has refused that. So he has fight with the British, and but he lost himself. He died in that only wars, and then after that the Mysore has gone under to the British. Maharaja Ranjit Singh, founder of the Sikh Empire, he also fight against to the British. Lakshmibai, everyone knows Jhansi Ki Rani, Lakshmibai. Yes or no? Courageous of Queen of Jhansi. She has more courageous, and she has said that Meri Jhansi maine dungi. Means that time Jhansi was the one of the place. Just when British were there, that his husband is died, and he don't have any child. That time one act was there. If king has died without son or daughter, so that kingdom will be emerged into the British royalty. So that time, but Lakshmibai said, she refused that. She said, "Meri Jhansi nahi dungi." So they have adopted the one son. His name is Yashwant. But British said Yashwant has the adopted son, so we will not be agree for that. And then she has fought bravely against with the British, but she lost and she died. Bipin Chandra Pal, sufficient leader of Indian national movement. Lal Bal Pal was there. Lal Bal Pal means Lal Bal and this one Pal. Okay, means which who was there? There are the three leaders who are there. Lala Lajpat Rai, Bipin Chandra Pal, and this one Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Okay, Lal means Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal means Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Pal means Bipin Chandra Pal. So these are the three freedom fighters who are there. Raja Ram Mohan Roy, reformer who opposed the practice of sati. Raja Ram Mohan Roy, he opposed. He was the social reformers. He against fight with the sati. It was sati systems. Do you know sati systems? If someone girls, her husband is died, then that girl or that woman also has to be died with that the husband. Means she has to go into the furnace. Furnace means आग लागलेली असते ना, furnace it's called the आग. Means त्या आगीमध्ये तिने सुद्धा जायचं स्वतःहून. Means she has to be give her life with her husband. If husband dies, then she has to be go there with the furnace, and people were taking her badly and throwing in that the furnace. It was very bad. Yes or no? This is called the sati system, and it is opposed. The Raja Ram Mohan Roy opposed that the sati systems. Then second one, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. He was great reformer and educator who worked for the cause of female education. So Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, he has bravely fight with for the women. That time the systems were there. The people were not giving education to the women. So he has said that women should be take the education, so she can be change her house, she can change her society. So he has started to fight with the community, and then the peoples are agreed and they have given to the education to the women. Next one, Swami Vivekananda. He was the founder of the Ramakrishna Mission. Do you know about Swami Vivekananda? Everyone knows that one. And Mahatma Gandhi, everyone knows about Mahatma Gandhi. He is the called father, yes or no? Father of the nations. So, up to the year, we have to be stopped. Now, last paragraph only remain. See, Sunny, sir, thank you for giving such valuable information about history. Now, we realize that history helps us to know so much about these great kings, queens, freedom fighters, social reformers, etc. Now, about from that, what we can understand about the great kings, freedom fighters, social reformers, etc. Yes or no? So what you have to do, here is our lesson has the overs. So what you have to do, you have to draw these the diagrams in your notebook. So from there you can also understand ancient history, medieval history and the modern history. Up to there, bye bye, take care.